Hey everyone, today we're cracking open one of the most popular ship model kits out there from OcCre, the legendary HMS Beagle in 1:60 scale. Right out of the gate, OcCre nailed the box design. The front shows off a beautiful photo of the main body of a finished model. But what really caught my eye is that clever little window on the box showing off the fittings. Genius. I don't know about you, but I always end up spending way too much time staring at all the tiny detail parts in hobby shops. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. First up, the micro-cast metal parts look great. Minimal cleanup, just a bit of polish, and they are ready to go. The rigging material seems to be nylon cotton mix. It will work, but I might upgrade to hemp for a more authentic look on my build. As for the wood, clean cuts, nice quality, no complaints there. For paint, you got two options. Grab the official OcCre paint set or use their included color chart to match your own acrylics. Simple either way. Now major props to OcCre for the instructions. They have absolutely nailed it. Tons of step-by-step color photos that walk you through the entire build. Honestly, with the photos alone, you could probably skip the text and still build it just fine. It's that clear. And don't worry if you lose the manual, they have got a downloadable PDF on their website, just in case. This kit is aimed at intermediate shipwrights, so if you have built a few models before and you're ready for a challenge, this one is for you. Once it's built, the Beagle measures about 72 centimeters long, 48 tall, and 23 wide, a nice size for display. One of my favorite parts, the color-coded rigging plans. If you have ever struggled with rigging, this is a total game changer. It makes the whole process way easier and actually enjoyable. You are looking at over 5,000 parts, and it will take around 500 hours to complete. Yep, it's a time investment, but totally worth it if you love the process. This kit comes with the pre-made sails, and honestly, they're good enough for me, but if you're a serious modeler chasing maximum realism, you may want to sew your own. The first planking uses 2x5mm basswood strips. Super clean cuts, easy to work with. For the decking and the second planking, you get high quality hardwoods, sycamore and sapele. Nice touch. The laser cut plywood parts are sharp and precise, with barely any burn marks. And the photo-etched brass, packed with fine detail. Really good. As for the price, right now it goes for around $260 US, which honestly feels like a great deal for a kit of this size and quality. Very tempting. One cool note, I believe this kit is based on Karl Hans Marquardt's anatomy of the ship HMS Beagle. If you're aiming to build a historically accurate replica, that book is a goldmine. Alright, I hope this video helped if you're thinking about picking up the HMS Beagle from OcCre. time for me to dive into the build. See you in the next one.